In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a Facebook ad in under 3 minutes. Let's do it.
Want free help to grow your business? Go to 52ways.com.
If you want to grow your business today, Facebook is where it's at. It's the biggest website in the world and people spend more time on Facebook than any other website. If you're not there, guess who will be there? Your customers. So at some point, you're going to need to learn how to market your business on Facebook. Now, I've got some good news and bad news. The bad news is the free days of Facebook are over. But the good news is there are still so many great strategies that you can use if you understand Facebook's very powerful advertising platform. Now, this is not a full deep dive into how to set up and run Facebook ads, but I am going to show you one specific tool right now where you can design an image ad in under 3 minutes. It's pretty cool. So let's check it out. Here we are on a great website, which is called Canva, and you can find it at canva.com. Now, if you haven't got an account, you can simply create one with your Facebook or Google login. Otherwise, you can create one with a username and password. So what I'm going to do now is log into mine. And what you'll see is you can actually click here on this button where it says create a design. So once you've logged in, you'll see that there's hundreds of different designs for all sorts of different things. You've got some for social media posts, some for documents, blogging, marketing materials, etc. But we're going to go right down to the bottom where it's got Facebook ad. So once the page loads, you'll see that down the left-hand side, there are literally hundreds of different Facebook ads that you can choose from. And you can customize these for your particular business. What I'm going to do is click on one right now, but clearly this is not right for my business. It's about surfing, and I'm going to design an ad for one of my friends who has a company that builds websites. So first thing that I need to do is go into here, uploads, and I'm going to find an image. Now, once that image is uploaded, what you do is you drag the image into the actual ad. Now, you can see it already had a filter, but I want to remove that filter, and I can easily do that by just going back to normal. Now, what I then do is I can move that person into the right position, and I want to make sure that she's on the right-hand side and I've got enough space on the left-hand side for my text. Now, I've just gone over here and I've written a few words, and I'm now going to go back and I'm going to add this in. How I do that is by double-clicking and literally just cutting and pasting in the words. Now, specifically with Facebook ads, they have a limit, and that is text can't take up more than 20% of the ad. So we need to make this text a lot smaller. So what we do is we highlight it and then we literally make the text smaller. So that's looking much better right now. So I'm going to take it, put it over here, and I'm also going to make it a little bit smaller as well. And I simply just need to drag this here, and now it's in place. Now, the contrast isn't so great with this one, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it and change the color. So we'll go over here to, let's just say pink, and what I'm going to do is go a step further and make it even a little bit darker. So I do that by clicking on the plus and then making it darker so the contrast is much better. Now, one other thing that I want to put into this ad is also a logo, but again, we need to keep it small because no more than 20% of the ad can be text. So what we do is we take our logo and we just slide it in. We're going to resize this. We're going to put it on the top, and basically we're done. What I'm now going to do is click on download, and within a few seconds, you'll see that it's now saving my Facebook ad. It's in the right dimensions. It has a eye-grabbing image, and it also has text that is no more than 20% of the size of the ad. So what I'm going to do now is open it, and voila, we're done. Here's our Facebook ad designed in under 3 minutes. It's that simple, and it's all thanks to a fantastic graphic design tool, which is called Canva. So there you have it, a great tool that you can use to design an image ad for Facebook in under 3 minutes. If you'd like to find out more information about how you can grow and transform your business, then check out the links below, and better still, come along to one of our live events where we go into these strategies in much more detail. Thanks so much for watching. See you again soon.
Want more great tips to grow your business? Then it's time to attend Australia's best one-day business workshop. Go to 52ways.com and claim your free tickets today.